Another tutorial guys, another song from CG5. The title of the song is Vibrant Eyes. Vibrant Eyes from CG5. This time, let's start the tutorial with the chords and then we'll follow the string pattern, okay? Let's start with the chords, followed by the string pattern. So I'll play it first, I'll show it first for you. So these are the chords, please follow me. I'll play it first. First chord is C minor, same position of the B minor guys, same position of the fingers, same position of the B minor, but we'll play this at the third fret, okay? C minor at the third fret. Then the second chord is a E flat at the sixth fret, same position of the B chord, but here at the sixth fret, okay? C minor, then E flat at the 6th fret, and then we'll move backward, slide at here at the 1st fret, okay? The B flat, okay? C minor, E flat, then the third chord is B flat, okay? Okay, C minor, E flat, and then the B flat. The fourth chord is a F minor. So F minor here at 8th fret, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th fret. So again guys, same position of the fingers. A B minor chord, but we'll get or we'll play this chord at 8th fret. 8th fret. And then the last chord is back to C minor at the 3rd fret. Okay, here at the 3rd fret. From here, 8th fret, same position of the fingers, and the last chord is back here at the 3rd fret, a C minor. Let's play it. Okay, and then the string pattern is, let's follow this string pattern guys. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So all you have to do in this part is the right timing guys. Timing ang ating kailangan dito sa part nito. Okay, timing. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, and then next, F minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down. Let's play again with the same pattern, guys. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. All you have to do is the right timing, guys, for the strumming pattern. So this is our simple version, guys. That's all. This is our simple version of how to play this song. That's the chords and our string pattern that we use in this song. And again guys, if you learn in this video and tutorial, please like this video, please like this video. That's all for this tutorial. That's all for today. See you in my next video and tutorials. Bye.